Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be discussing some of the viruses for Resident Evil. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm not gonna go into full-on details about each and every single virus that there possibly is in Resident Evil. I'm just going over the basics, kind of like the main ones you see throughout the games. So, hopefully you guys like the video, and if you do, comment, subscribe. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first off, we got the Progenitor virus. So what the Progenitor virus is, it's the main basis for pretty much all the viruses that are in the Resident Evil franchise. It is likely the main, and it was made from a flower grown in Africa called the Path to the Sun. And basically what they did was they went over in Africa and grabbed this flower, and then they mix it with leech DNA, which resulted in what we know as the T virus. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the T virus looks like, so you guys have a basic picture. Yeah, so this is what the T virus looks like. This is called a licker. I'm not going to get in too much with the T virus, but here's basically a little idea what it looks like. Now, this is the Veronica virus. It's a variant of the Progenitor virus, which was made by Alexia Ashford of the Ashford family. It was created by taking the Progenitor virus and mixing it with an ant colony. So yeah, and it was created by Alexia Ashford. She literally just took some form of the Progenitor virus and mixed it with a queen ant. Yeah, she mixed it with a queen ant DNA, which that's how kind of the Veronica virus kind of is. Now next we got the T Abyss virus, which was created by combining the Abyss virus, which was found deep within the sea with sorry, tongue twisted. But yes, they found within the sea they found a fish with the Abyss virus, and what they did was they took the Abyss virus and they mixed it with a mutant strain of the T virus. So basically, long story short, the T Abyss virus is basically the virus for like aquatic animals and stuff like that. Now we got one of my favorite viruses called the T Phobius virus. And basically what it is it was created by taking a mutant strain of the T virus that reacted to something called noradrenaline. And basically one of the most unique things about the T Phobius virus is instead of it like immediately affecting you like all the other viruses does, it only reacts out of fear and anxiety. So basically you infect it into it, but once you hit a certain level of fear and anxiety, the T Phobius virus starts taking effect and it mutates you. Which I think is kind of cool, because instead of being infected with like a virus that like immediately takes over your body, mutates you, it's a little bit sicker. Like if you now you have to be aware that if you get scared, like the more fear you have in you and the more anxiety you have, the more of a chance of it mutating and taking over you, which is pretty scary. Yeah, so after the Phobius virus, now we have something called the G virus, which is otherly known as the Golgithia virus. And what it is, it's a genetical enhancement species of the Progenitor family. So unlike the T virus, where it has like the other strains like the Phobius and the Abyss and the Veronica virus, stuff like that, G virus is kind of like another. It's kind of trying to make like a enhanced version of the Progenitor virus. So there's not really a lot of it's really a long story on how the G virus was created. It's a very long story, but basically all you guys really need to know is that it is an enhanced version of the Progenitor virus, basically. And you guys can remind me if I'm wrong or not about this, but also I'm pretty sure that the G virus was also made to have like immortal principles about it. It was basically the Progenitor virus, but with immortality traits. So after the G virus on our list, we got the T plus G virus, which came to be discovered when the USS Agent Hunk recovered a sample of the G virus from during a raid. So basically, they took a mutated T virus strain of T virus and they exposed it to the antibodies to fight the G virus. So they were hoping and trying to make a virus where it's basically a T virus, but it has G virus principles, but to kind of fight against it, but they kind of combined. Yeah, that's really all that the TG virus really is. It's just basically the T virus that was trying to be exposed to the antibodies of the G virus. Is based on. So yes, after the TG virus, we have something called the C virus, and the C virus, otherwise known as the chrysalid virus, was created by combining an enhanced version of the Vonager virus, made by Alexia Ashford. They combined it with the G virus variant with Sherry Birkin's blood. So they took the G virus and experimented with Sherry Birkin, and it reacted differently with the blood. And the G virus actually was compatible with Sherry Birkin. So all the C virus really is, like I said, is it's literally just a little bit of an enhanced version of the Vonager virus mixed with the G virus. Technically mixed with the blood of Sherry Birkin, which also had the G virus. So it's a very unique virus, and it's pretty terrifying. If next time you come across it, it's terrifying. It's definitely probably like my top 5 favorite viruses that was in Evil history. It's very interesting. And least, but finally, the last virus you guys need to know of is the Ouroboros virus. And basically, all the Ouroboros virus is it's an RNA vector virus developed by a company called Tricell. And it's based on the progenitor virus. It's basically they were trying to recreate the progenitor virus without the without the path to the sun. And basically, what path the sun has. The cool thing about the path to the sun is that flower you can grow that flower anywhere, but for some reason only in Africa. I guess has to do with the climates or whatever, but only in Africa does the path to the sunflower actually have the progenitor virus. And basically the Ouroboros virus was basically kind of an attempt to make our own progenitor virus, and it was made by Wesker pretty much himself, mixed well with the company Tricell. So there's really not a whole lot going on with the Ouroboros virus, just that it's basically it's another reattempt at a stronger progenitor virus. But yeah, so that's pretty much the main viruses in the Resident Evil franchise that you guys really need to know about. If you guys want to in the video, I can go into directly and detail which each virus if you guys want to, and I can make another video explaining about all viruses on the Resident Evil franchise. There's so many, but if you guys want to see that, I would definitely do it. But I hope this helps you guys out just a little bit, and if you guys do enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe for more future content, and let me know what you guys want to see. Like I said, if you guys want to in another video, I can directly go into each virus detailed, tell you the background if you guys are interested, or I can make a video explaining about every virus that's ever been in Resident Evil. These aren't all of them, these are just like the main ones. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch all of y'all later.